Well, hello everybody. How you doing today? I'm doing great. Hey, I want to do a quick live regarding a program that's coming out by Fannie Mae. This comes live June 5, and that is Fannie Mae's Refinance or RefiNow. We'll make it a short name. Basically, what that program is, it allows, so it's going live in June, allows people who have a lower income to refinance their homes if they have a Fannie Mae loan on it already, and it allows that because before last year they tried to refinance, and basically Fannie and Freddie have a max DTI, that's debt to income ratio, of like 50%. And what that means, I'll get more into that later. This allows lower income people to go ahead and take advantage of the low rates now and actually save some money, which most refinances, if you look at a VA or FHA, some of those programs you can refinance without actually looking at your income again. And I think all programs should be that way, but that's not how they are. So right now, Fannie and Freddie put together a program that allows homeowners who have a Fannie Mae loan on there already, and I'll talk about Freddie Mac later. They can actually reduce their interest rate, and there's a minimum they have to do at least 50 basis points, and they have to lower it at $50 a month. For most people, you shouldn't even do the refinance unless you're doing it a lot lower than that and you're saving a lot more. But some of these loans might be $100,000, 150,000, 200. So the difference in a 1% to 3/4% of an interest rate might not be, $100 or $200, but on average, they're saying that most people will be able to save at a 1%. Because you think most of these people got these loans a couple years ago, rates were 4 or 5%, and they'll be able to take advantage and actually save some money. I think it should be automatic, but it's not that way. So with this program, this is what it allows them to do. Also, if they have to have an appraisal, that'll get credited back from Fannie Mae to us when we do the loan, so we can take care of that for the borrower. And then also the biggest thing that has changed during the refinance last year, Fannie and Freddie came in with a program that actually costs more money. Basically, they put an adverse market fee on there, which basically said, you think this is the first time I was talking, that for the privilege of doing a refinance, you have to pay a 0.5%. And they're actually getting rid of that now. They're waiving that for this loan. So this type of loan will not have that. That means automatically the rate's going to be a lot lower than somebody else going in at the same with the regular Fannie Mae to do a refinance. So this is a benefit for you. To qualify for this, it's very simple. You must have, as a homeowner, the RefiNow must have, it has to be a Fannie Mae loan first. And there is actually, you can go out and find out if you have a Fannie Mae loan by going to this site, which is you look it up, you type in your address, it'll tell you if you have a Fannie Mae loan. And then you also the Freddie Mac program won't be coming out till August, if I remember right. At that time, they'll have their own place you can go to and see if you have a Freddie Mac loan. Once you do that, if you have a Fannie Mae, then you go forward. Basically, what they look at is your current income. So if you qualified under one of the Home Ready or one of the other programs when you first bought this, and your income was at that 80% AMI, which is the annual income for the area, the adjusted income. One of these days I'll get good on this. Anyway, so basically, then they're looking at it now, not when you got the program, but now. So a lot of people, when they got into their home through these programs, they now make more money. So this program would not work for you. But say that you retired and you wanted to refinance, but you don't make as much money as you did before, you would now be able to under this program. I did a quick look at Stanislaus County. And if you look at Stanislaus County, I threw in an address. I won't tell you whose address that was, but their refinance income limit is $55,440. The 100% median income, so it's 80% of the area median income is what your max income can be for this program. So the normal median income for this area was 69,300. 80% of that is this 55,440, and then that's the number they're looking at. So you're asking, why are they coming? So what they do is they look at this, and this is the reason why it's a big difference. I'm going to jump. So remember the 55,440. All right, so if we take the 55,440 divided by 12, and then that's your normal income that they're saying you can make. If we were doing a regular refinance with Fannie Mae, your debt to income ratio would be 50%, which means that only 2310 of your income and your debts could be used. That's the max that you could have for your mortgage payment and all your other debts. With the new program, oh, I messed that up. Let's change that real quick. Edit it. It is supposed to be 65%. Good thing you can make these on the way. All right. So here we go. We'll go back there. There it is. So the same income, 12 months. This is same as this, but this originally was 50. Now it's 65. That means it goes up to, that is wrong again. You tell you. Okay, it's 4620 times 0.65 equals, so it's supposed to be 3003. I guess it didn't say when I created this. I apologize. Let's do this one more time. 3003. Save, and then I can show it to you. I apologize. All right, so then 4,600. Now at 65%, then now you can have that amount of mortgage and debt and still qualify for the program. That's $700 difference. That could be a car payment. That could be some debt. This is going to help a lot of people. This is not for everybody. They say about 2 million people. This can help nationwide. If you figure out of the United States, California does 1/3 of all mortgages. So that means out of 2 million times 0.33. This would help about 660,000 people in California. Let's see here if I got everything. The other qualifications is you cannot have missed a payment in the last 6 months and not more than one in the last 12 months. Homeowners also need, you need to just go check to make sure you qualify for this. Again, it's about helping lower income borrowers who might have missed out on the refinance wave in 2020. It will help save the homeowners right there. It says another 100 to 250,000 a month, $1,200 a month on their mortgage. Can't fit it all on the screen. It's an easy program. If this is something you want to do, you can contact anybody that you normally go through for your mortgage. If you don't have anybody, you can message me through here. I will see if I can take care of you if you're in California. If you're in other states, we can refer you to somebody else. But this is a great program. And again, it starts June 5th, and it will help any lower income people be able to qualify for a refinance and benefit from the low interest rates that we're at. And we're still at rates. If you look at Fannie Mae a year ago at this time versus now, we're still a quarter lower than we were last year at this time. So again, I hope this helps. Whoever this helps, I hope you can quickly get the information you needed about Fannie Mae's RefiNow program that starts June 5th. Freddie Mac will have one, and I think it's starting August 30th. I will bring that to you once we know. And again, thank you for letting me interrupt your day, and you guys have a great day.